Hey everyone, this is Gary Kayye. It's Launch Week, Digital Signage Day, and I did something special for you for Digital Signage Day. Flew all the way to Lausanne, Switzerland to meet directly with the CEO of SpinetiX, Francesco Ziliani. Francesco, thank you very much for hosting us here, and the Millennium, which is an amazing facility. First, tell them a little bit about the building that your headquarters is in here, the Millennium in Lausanne.
Yes, thank you for coming, Gary. The Millennium is SpinetiX Experience Center. We had a vision with this building to create a space of life where people would enjoy walking, but as well collaborating and experience live shows, events, good restaurants. And we have made sure that digital signage is the heart and the soul of this building.
Digital signage actually created an experience in this building, as you've seen from some of the images we've been showing you. Let's kind of review, because what we did was we actually spent a day here just touring the building, and you can actually watch that entire tour by heading over to our website or going down here on the page. If you're on launch right now, you can see the entire tour. We started out with the entrance of the building and this beautiful fountain that has digital signage tied to the fountain. Like literally when the content changes on the fountain, on the sign above the fountain itself mirrors that. Then you have this incredible lobby display. It's a 32:9 aspect ratio, wide screen, very wide screen, basically 8K display that is sitting in the front of the lobby that's using SpinetiX digital signage, and Aria is running it all behind the scenes. I mean, that looks like a regular digital signage thing, but there's a lot more here. We have a conference, you're actually running, digital signage is actually running, and I hate calling that term digital signage, I like experiential signage, is running the conference center and the executive center here. It's running the events and entertainment spaces. As you can see, this is not the normal entertainment space. This is a 500-seat auditorium where that content there is being generated by SpinetiX using Aria. And also is running the ballroom here in the spaces, also the restaurants and the retail spaces as well, all the hospitality. It's just a beautiful building. I hope that people go watch that tour. But you and I have an agreement that the term digital signage is probably not the right term, right? It's more experiential.
You're right. And it's true that the Millennium, our experience center, is special because it combines so many experiences that you usually don't see just in corporate or in hospitality or in education. It's just a mixture of all of them. But that's experience. The technology gives us the possibility to mix all these scenarios, and at the end, inspire the guests, inspire the employees, and make their life easier. Because one of the purpose of all these investments and experiment we have here is really to understand how the team that operates the building work with this technology and understand their problems. They are very busy and they need something which is very simple to use, very intuitive, and technology must be reliable, robust, because they cannot cope with blue screens or freezing content. Everything must be perfect 24 hours a day.
And we show you how that all operates by watching that video. I also want to point out there's signage even in the elevators. The experiential signage is running to make sure that you know where to park and not park in the parking deck. Also, as you leave the building, it tells you whether or not there's too much traffic, the direction that you're going. I mean, it's so well integrated here. I hope they have a chance to watch it. But in the meantime, I want you to stay tuned, because I'm about to bring Nicola on here, who's going to give us a detailed overview of what you're seeing behind us. And that is all the applications for SpinetiX digital signage and Aria globally, all the applications you can use for signage. And we're going to take a deep dive into Aria, which is their cloud-based management system, which has won a bunch of awards from us over the years because it is the best signage cloud-based signage system in the world, we think. So thank you very much for hosting us. I really appreciate it, Francesco. And hey, keep watching. You're going to enjoy this. So let's do the demo with Nick.
Very good. Thank you.